What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now in today's video I am going to be sharing with you how you can actually get your unique Amazon links on your YouTube videos. And this way, when people click on your YouTube videos and they check your description box of the video, they will actually be able to click on your unique Amazon associate link. If you are new here, my name is Victoria and I am a business and lifestyle blogger. I talk mainly on affiliate marketing and passive income. So if any of this interests you, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below and make sure to tap on the bell beside it so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. So let's get on to the Amazon associate dashboard. Okay guys, so right now I have my YouTube page opened and the Amazon associates dashboard opened. So on your dashboard you'll see home, product linking, promotions, tools, report, help. What we are looking for is the product linking, and actually the Amazon associate team has actually made it very simpler for you. Once you log on to your Amazon associate account, as you can see, it's already here, home, product links. So if that is not what you are seeing on your dashboard, which is mostly unlikely, you can just go to product linking and click on product links. But for now, this is what I'm seeing on my dashboard. So you can see that it already has been linked to the product links of home on the dashboard. Build a link to a specific page from Amazon using the tools below. So if you actually have you can search for any product and you can just select a product. If you already know what you are, of course you should know what product you want to link. If it is under art and crafts, you just click on art and crafts, you know, and you can actually refine it by, if you are a hair and beauty channel, for example, you refine it by hair care. And you can actually use this. If you have this is a ASIN, they call it ASIN number. It's a unique number for every product that is listed on Amazon.com. So you can search with that and just go, and it will bring you the product, that particular product, and you click here and you get the link. Now alternatively, you can just go to product links. Go to product links and it will ask you to search. So you can just search all of Amazon and you just click on the keyword. So let's say I want to promote a flower pot. Now I don't have any product in mind. I mean a particular product in mind, just flower pot. So go and it will bring out different flower pots for me, different types of flower pots, and from there you can actually pick whichever one you want depending on the price and all. So to get your link, you just click on this arrow down, and as you can see, this is the link which is unique to you, your unique Amazon associate ID for this product. So what I'm going to do is I can actually highlight this and copy it, but as you can see, it is very long. It is too long. So shorten URL with amazon.to. I'll click on that. So it has shortened it for me, and I'm just going to right click on it and copy. Okay, then you go to your YouTube channel, you go to your YouTube studio and you pick the particular video you want to place this product under. So you go to channel videos and you click on any one that you want. Let's say I want to put it on this particular video. You click on this pencil icon, and then you go to the description box. You go to the description box, and then you can just write whatever you want to write. Get this flower pot, or anything that you want to write for that. Then you right click and you paste. So that is that is my that is my unique Amazon associate ID for that particular product. Then you save. Okay, it is saved. So let's go back to my channel, and let's locate this particular video. Okay, so this is the particular video. So once anybody click on this particular video and they go to the description box, which is here, which is just under the video, see, it is already showing. So anyone that clicks on this particular link, to get this flower pot and actually buys it, then I get a commission for that purchase. Another way to get your links is by going to the home page of your Amazon associate account, and on the home page you can see here search and create for any product. You can also create short links. You just type in the keyword or the ASIN number of that particular product. If you don't know the ASIN number, don't worry yourself. So just type in the keyword and click on go. So it will actually bring out those products for you, and you can just search for the particular product you want to link and just click on get link. So this is like the full interface of getting your link. You can actually get a text and image link, a text only link, an image only link, but for the purpose of YouTube videos you only need a text only link, and that is why I showed you only that. So you just click on text only, and you can actually decide to get a link that takes the person clicking on the link to the to the detail page or to the offer listing page. So if it's a detail page, it can be everything, it will be everything about that product. That's what the person will see. But if it is an offer listing page, it will be the page where the person see why they should actually buy that particular product. Maybe there's a something percent discount or something, and they will actually just buy straight away. They are ready to buy, they'll just click on buy straight away. But for the detail page, it is detailed. They see everything about the product, so you can actually choose which one you want. This is the HTML link. This is the standard link. The HTML is for those who will be posting the link on their website. The standard link you can post on YouTube, but it is too long, so you can actually get the short link, the shorter link. And you can also get a live preview of what the page will look like when your tribe clicks on the link. If you click on this now, it will show you what it will look like. So this is what it will look like. This is what they will see. So you just highlight it, or you click on highlight HTML and then right click and copy and paste like I have explained earlier. So So that is how you can actually copy and paste your unique Amazon associate link for different products onto your YouTube video. I'll also be making a video of how you can actually do this for your websites, including text link for website and also image links for websites. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I upload that video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you are new to Amazon Associate, I have a full playlist of how you can actually create your own Amazon Associate account. Please check the link in the description below, and also check those videos around here and you'll be able to see the playlist there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.